What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Lincoln MKX open and started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2011 MKX in the video, but we'll be the same on a few different years. So in this scenario, our vehicle's locked and the key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now we're going to use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door, put it in, and we'll turn it to the right or clockwise. And then after you unlock it, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw that emergency key back in the fob, just so we don't lose it. Now as soon as we open the door, a quiet alarm is going to start going off. And we have about 10 seconds before that alarm is going to get louder. How we're going to prevent that alarm from getting louder is we're going to start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with the dead key fob is we're going to get in and open the center console, and then there's a little slot that we're going to place the fob in. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly, and the alarm may start going off. All right. Get in, put the fob in that slot like that, press the brake, start the vehicle as normal. And that's it. Let's take a closer look here how that fob sits in there. Sits in there like that. And I think some vehicles may have a little tray right here, but that's it. Then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.